Good morning children. Welcome to our social science class. Students, now this video for class work lesson 5. Lesson 5. Okay, our constitution. Okay, now take page number 103. Which right ensure education for children and equal pay for the equal work. Dash right against exploitation, right to freedom. Here what correct answer? Right against exploitation. Okay, now page number 104. First one, we should protect the sovereignty, dash unity, harmony and integrity of the nation. Here correct answer, unity. Second one, we should safeguard public property and avoid dash non-violence and violence. Correct answer, violence. Now second one, the directive principle direct the government to provide compulsory dash education and employment to children. Here correct answer, education to children. Okay, now second one, the government should see to it that there is improvement in dash. Okay, public health. Answer, public health. First one, the directive principle direct the government to provide compulsory education to children. The government should see to it that there is improvement in public health. Okay, now page number 106, book back. Fill in the blanks. Dash was the chairman of the drafting committee of the constitution. Here answer, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. B.R. Ambedkar. Okay, A-M-B-E-D K-A-R A-M-M bed B-E-D K-A-R Kar Ambedkar. Okay, now B1. The constitution mentions the goals of our nation, which are dash and dash and dash: democracy, socialism and secularism. Democracy, D-E-M-O-C-R-A-C-Y, democracy. Socialism, S-O-C-I-A-L-I-S-M, socialism. Next one, secularism, S-E-C-U-L-A-R-I-S-M, secularism. Third one, the fundamental rights help in preserving human dash and allow every citizen to live with dash dignity, self-respect. Self-respect, dignity, D-I-G-N-I-T-Y, dignity, self-respect, S-E-L-F-R-E-S-P-E-C-T, self-respect. Fourth one, it is our fundamental duty to protect our dash including forest, lake, river and dash environment. First dash, environment, E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T, environment. And wildlife, W-I-L-D, wild, L-I-F-E, life, wildlife. Now fifth one, dash and dash go hand in hand, rights and duty. Okay, R-I-G-H-T-S, rights and duty, D-U-T-I-E-S, right and duties go hand in hand. Again one time, fill ups. First one, Dr. P.R. Ambedkar was chairman of drafting committee of the constitution. Second one, the constitution mentions the goals of our nation, which are dash, dash and dash: democracy, secularism, socialism. Third one, the fundamental rights help in preserving human dash and allow every citizen to live with dignity, self-respect. Fourth one, it is our fundamental duty to protect our dash environment, including forest, lake, river and wildlife. Fifth one, rights and duties go hand in hand. Now choose the correct answer. The right of the citizen to settle in any part of our country is the dash. Right to equality, right to freedom, right to freedom of religion. Here correct answer, right to freedom. Second one. Now B, safeguarding public property is dash. Fundamental right, fundamental duty, fundamental right and duty. Here correct answer, fundamental right. Okay, first answer. Now C, dash are guidelines to promote the welfare of the people. Answer, fundamental duties, directive principle of state policy, fundamental rights. Here answer, directive principle of state policy. Okay, second answer for third C. Next, D1. It is the duty of the dash to promote international peace and security. Government, citizen, government and citizen. Here correct answer, government. Last one, under directive principle of state policy, it is compulsory to provide dash to children, food, shelter, education. Here correct answer, education. Okay, again one time answer. First one, right to freedom. Second one, fundamental right. Third one, directive principle. Fourth one, government. And fifth one, education. Now third Roman, match the following. Column A, right to speech and expression. Here correct answer, right to freedom. Right to freedom. Third answer for A1. Banning of forced labor. Right against exploitation. Now that means fourth answer for B. Defend the country. Defend the country. Fundamental duty. Next one, provision of employment to all. Provision of employment to all. Directive principle of state policy. Now E, right to education, cultural and education rights. Again one time, right to speech and expression, right to freedom. Banning of forced labor, right against exploitation. Defend the country. Defend the country, fundamental duty. Provision of employment to all. Directive principle of state policy. Right to education, cultural and educational rights. E, C, A, B, D. Answer. Students, as exam come near us, I have planned to omit few questions which was repeated in both 4th and 5th Roman. But you are going to learn those concepts in any one of the Romans. Okay? Now answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences. What is a democracy? Okay. A democracy is a system of government in which all the people of a country can vote to elect the representative. A democracy is a system of government in which all the people of a country can vote to elect the representatives. Democracy, D-E-M-O-C-R-A-C-Y, democracy is a system, S-Y-S-T-E-M, system of government. G-O-V-E-R-N, government, M-E-N-T, government in which all the people of a country can, C-A-N can, V-O-T-E, vote, T-O-2, elect, E-L-E-C-T, elect their representative, R-E-P-R-E-S-E-N-T-A-T-I-V-E-S, representatives. Okay. Now B1, what is meant by constitution? What is meant by constitution? Okay. When a country is formed, it needs a setup of laws for the people to follow. This is called a constitution. Again one time, When a country is formed, it needs a setup of laws for the people to follow. This is called a constitution. Called a constitution. Spelling. Okay. When WHEN, when a country, 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 IS is formed, 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 it, IT, need, NEEDS, needs, a setup, SET, set of, OF, set of, laws, 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 for, FOR, THE, the, for the people, PEOPLE, people to, TO, to follow, FOLLOW, follow. This is called a constitution. CONSTITUTION, constitution. When a country is formed, it needs a setup of laws for the people to follow. This is called a constitution. Now, C1. What are fundamental rights? What are fundamental rights? Fundamental rights are the basic right that a citizen of India is guaranteed. Fundamental rights are the basic rights that a citizen of India is guaranteed. FUNDAMEN TAL, fundamental rights, 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 or the basic, BASIC, basic right, RIGHTS, rights that a citizen, CITIZEN, citizen of India is guaranteed, GUARAN, guaranteed, DEED, guaranteed. Okay, again one time. Fundamental rights are the basic rights that a citizen of India is guaranteed. Now, why do we say that rights and duties go hand in hand? Now answer. Every citizen can claim the fundamental rights in the country. Similarly, every citizen also has certain duties towards the country. Thus, right and duties go hand in hand. Again one time. Every, EVERY, every citizen, 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 can, can, claim, 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 the fundamental rights, FUNDAMENTAL, fundamental right, RIGHTS, fundamental rights in the country. Similarly, 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 every citizen, EVERY, every citizen, 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 also, ALSO, has, HAS, CERTAIN, certain duties, DUTIES, duties towards, TOWARDS, towards the country, COUNTRY, country. Thus, right and duties go hand in hand. Okay. Now, fifth Roman, answer the following question. Why is 26th January celebrated as Republic Day? What does our constitution consist of? Now answer. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year. We celebrate it to remember the day our constitution came into force, which was on 26th January 1950. Constitution is the system of law and the basic principle that a country is governed by. Again one time. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year. REPUBLIC, Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year. We celebrate, Celebrate it to remember. REMEMBER. Remember the day our constitution. CONSTITUTION constitution came into force, which was on 26th January 1950. Constitution is the system of law and basic principle that a country is governed by. Now, D1. Mention any 5 fundamental duties. First one, we must respect our constitution, national flag and national anthem. We must respect our constitution, national flag and national anthem. W-E, we must, M-U-S-T, must, respect, R-E-S-P-E-C-T, respect our constitution, S-C-O-N-S-T-I-T-U-T-I-O-N, constitution, national flag, N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L, national flag, F-L-A-G, flag, and national anthem, A-N-T-H-E-M, and them. Next, second point, we must respect our follow the noble ideas which inspired us to set freedom. W-E, we must, M-U-S-T, must, respect, R-E-S-P-E-C-T, respect, and follow the, F-O-L-L-O-W, follow the noble ideas, N-O-B-L-E, noble ideas, I-D-E-A-S, ideas which inspired, I-N-S-P-I-R-E-D, inspired us to get freedom. Third point, we must defend our country whenever required. We must defend our country whenever required. Okay, country, what spelling? C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, whenever, W-H-E-N, when, E-V-E-R, ever, whenever, required, R-E-Q-U-I-R-E-D, required. Next one, we must protect and improve our natural environment. We must protect our, improve our natural environment, N-A-T-U-R-A-L, natural, N-A-T-U-R-A-L, natural environment, E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T, environment. Next point, we must obey the laws of the country. We must obey the laws of the country. Okay, obey, O-B-E-Y, obey the laws, L-A-W-S, laws, country, C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country. Okay, again one time, listen. We must respect our constitution, national flag and national anthem. We must respect and follow the noble idea which inspired us to get freedom. We must defend our country whenever required. We must protect and improve our natural environment. We must obey the laws of the country. Now, E1. List any 5 directive principles of state policy. They are set up to maintain fairness and equality in the society. They are set up to maintain fairness and equality in the society. THEY, they are, ARE, are set up, SETUP, set up to, TO2, maintain, MAIN, main, TAIN, maintain, fairness, FAIRNESS, fairness and equality, EQUALITY, equality in the society, SOCIETY, society. Provisions of employment to all, PROVISIONS, provision of employment, EMPLO, Y. Employment, MENT, mean to all, TO2ALL, all. Protection of forest and wildlife, protection of forest and wildlife, PROTECTION, protection of forest and wildlife, WILDLIFE, wildlife. Okay, compulsory education for children, compulsory, COMPULSORY, compulsory education for children. Improvement in public health, improvement in public health, IMPROVE, improvement, MENT, mean in public, PUBLIC, public health, HEALTH, public health. They are set up to maintain fairness and equality in the society, provision of employment to all, protection of forest and wildlife, compulsory education for children, improvement in public. Now, lesson 5, our constitution keywords. First one, Dr. P.R. Ambedkar. BRAMBEDKAR, Ambedkar. Democracy, DEMOCRACY, democracy. Third one, socialism, SOCIALISM, socialism. Secularism, SECULARISM, secularism. Fifth one, government, GOVERNMENT, government. Sixth one, environment, ENVIRONMENT, environment. Seventh one, education, EDUCATION, education. Eighth one, citizen, CITIZEN. Ninth one, cultural, CULTURAL, cultural. Tenth one, equality, EQUALITY. Dr. Ambedkar, democracy, socialism, secularism, government, environment, education, citizen, cultural, equality. Now, mind map, fundamental rights. Right to equality, RIGHT, right. TO2, equality, EQUALITY, equality. Right to freedom, RIGHT, right to, TO2, freedom, FREEDOM, freedom. Right against exploitation, AGAINST, against exploitation, EXPLOITATION. Right to freedom of religion, freedom, FREEDOM, freedom of religion, RELIGION, freedom of religion. Cultural and educational right, cultural, CULTURAL, cultural and educational, EDUCATIONAL, educational right. Right to constitutional remedy, RIGHT, right. TO2, constitutional, CONSTITUTIONAL, constitutional remedy, REMEDIES, constitutional remedies. Right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational right, right to constitutional remedies. Okay student, after finishing send through the WhatsApp.